Hey guys! So one of my favorite summer fruits is a peach, and one of my favorite summer drinks is a margarita. So let's make a peach margarita. But we're gonna make a peach margarita using my prepped ahead peach jam. Amazing. Okay, I think this should be slushified. Since we're in the warm weather, we're gonna make a slushy marg. Okay, let's do it. So when you're making a peach marg, some people might use sugar. I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to stick with salt, but I'm just going to do a little less salt. I'm just going to put salt on like half the rim. That looks pretty. It always looks like crystals. I love it. My mom was obsessed with crystal, like lolly crystal and all this crazy crystal. So as a kid, we always had crystal everywhere in the house, these little sculptures and stuff. And this reminds me of it. Makes me a little nostalgic. Okay. So now what we're going to do is 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of Cointreau. Pop that in. So here's our 1 ounce of lime juice. While we're at it, let's just do our 1 ounce of Cointreau. Okay. And then let's do 2 ounces of tequila. So some people might use a jigger. Since I cook so much, my kitchen has measuring cups. So that's what we're using. We're using our fluid measuring cups. And it works great. I think I should invest in a jigger. Okay. All right. So now let's peachify it. You could totally just add fresh peaches, but I have my prepped peach jam, so I'm gonna use it. I already cooked it down with coconut sugar, beautifully sweet, a little bit of Prosecco in here too. Just saying. Let's do 2 tablespoons. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, let's add some ice. Blend it up. Let's go to the blender. To test it. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. That's ready. Oh my gosh. You know what this is like? This is like, I have not been to Dairy Queen in a very long time, maybe over 30 years, but it kind of has a Dairy Queen slushy consistency, which don't make it weird. I love. You couldn't pay me to go to Dairy Queen now, but that consistency, the slushy, they figured it out. Look at how beautiful. Okay, let's try it. That is dangerously good. That is dangerously good. Oh my gosh, it's really different. It is. It does get like this summer twist to it. Using the peach jam, the fact that it was already cooked down with that coconut sugar, it's not too sweet. It's really mild, but beautiful. And you still get the tequila coming through, the lime. Wow, that is so lovely. You guys might want to try it with a little bit of sugar, but I love this. That is way too good. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you next time. Cheers.